When we are feeling energy, the effect and impact of energy is that we are able to calm down our mind. And our mind is not floating all over, but we are able to have this mind inside of our body. Our body is our mind's home. So body has a habit that is creating the patterns. And our emotion also is, it has a pattern inside of us. It's not different emotion all the time. Actually, we experience same emotion a lot of times, isn't it? So it has this pattern inside of our body. Yeah. And our thoughts, don't they have patterns too? Inside of our container in our brain, we have a pattern of our thinking based on certain information that we carry. But we are here on this earth to make infinite creation, isn't it? So we want to be able to apply the infinite creation power of mind into this body. So what can we do? So we have to think about what is always moving all the time. And that is energy. So when you can feel the energy that is moving all the time, then we can apply this infinite creation power into this physical being. So inside of our body, actually, everything is made up of energy, and energy is moving and flowing all the time. But we are kind of stuck inside of this pattern and habits, wired. So whenever we are feeling our energy, we will create this opportunity to access the flexibility to make infinite creation. Also, when we are feeling energy, the effect and impact of energy is that we are able to calm down our mind. And our mind is not floating all over, but we are able to have this mind inside of our body. Our body is our mind's home, always. So we want to keep our mind in this present moment inside of our body to have creation. Also become aware of what is happening with our emotion, with our thoughts, with what we keep inside of this container, like memories or trauma or the attachment. All of that is actually staying inside of this container. These three things that I will talk about is three essentials of self-awareness. So one is to become aware through sensitizing our body, activating the sensitivity and feeling your body. Second is self-awareness through mind. So being able to become aware through focusing on different part of our body through our mind. And number three is being able to communicate with our body, first by feeling energy and to communicate with our body. So this is all about meditation and awareness, but our mind is really busy, or our body or mind is resisting to be activated to feel and be here and now, then this becomes very difficult. But by awakening to energy sensitivity, we are able to utilize what body is meant to do and what mind is meant to do to help us to create our life consciously. So let us first do the self-awareness with sensitizing our body. And so, very simple things. Yeah. Let's feel our body through stimulation, like tapping. Yeah. So I want you to tap your arm like this. Yeah. So can you feel your arm? Okay, stop. So now, after you tap a little bit, I want you to close your eyes and focus on this feeling that is existing. Can you feel the tingliness and warmth sensation? Yeah, I'm sure you can feel something. And even beyond where you are tapping, you may be feeling pulsing sensation in the fingertip, like that. Yeah. So if you are able to feel your body like this, don't you think that if we are able to tap our whole body, then we can become aware of our body's condition more, what's going on? Yeah. And so let's tap our whole arm this time. So when you're tapping, I recommend to close your eyes and tap, tap, tap. Also, you can breathe out. Breathe out through and feel where you are tapping. All over your arm. Okay, slowly stop. Now breathing in and breathing out. Again, breathing in and breathing out. Okay, so now I want you to feel the sensation of your body. Yeah, so now can you feel the whole arm? And can you feel the difference between the left arm and right arm? The one that you are tapping and the one that you didn't tap? So how about sensitivity activities? What's going on? Yeah. And then which one do you feel more open and light and energetic? So that the arm that you are tapping. So you are able to activate the energy sensation and be able to circulate energy and to become healthier. Yeah. So whenever you need to bring your attention to your body, you can feel your body and your mind and body can begin to come together. So in this process, your mind may have been all over still and difficult to even feel. So this is what we have done with our body and mind in our lives. So if you continue to practice tapping like this and closing your eyes, you'll begin to feel more and your mind will come together with your body. Okay, so that's one method that you can become aware of what's going on. And then number two, then let us do self-awareness through mind. Yeah. And so before we go into becoming aware with your mind, I want us to do the tapping. Now, not the arm this time, but tap this energy line, this conceptual meridian channel energy line, but one point here, and to the aftermath. So first, you can make a fist this time and tap the middle of your chest. And breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Again, breathing in and breathing out. So as you are tapping, I want you to focus on a few things. One is your breath. One is the movement. And the last one is focus on where you are tapping. Okay, so if you are feeling your breath, and if you are focused on the movement, and if you're focused on where you are tapping, where the action is, then your mind can naturally be with your body here and now and begin to feel. Now feel the middle of your chest. Now breathing in and breathing out. So when you're focused on your body and feeling, how about your breath? Is it becoming shorter or longer? Wonderful. Okay, slowly stop. Breathing in and breathing out. So feel your breath. Length is changing and depth is changing. Okay, so now tap the middle of your body, solar plexus area. Breathing in and breathing out. Again, 3 things to focus. Focus on your breath and focus on the action, which is where you are tapping, and breathing in and breathing out. So this is the way to begin to feel your body with the mind inside of you. Breathing in and breathing out. Okay, now slowly stop. Now breathing in through the part that you are tapping. And breathing out. Okay, one more time. Breathing in and breathing out. So let me ask you one question. Is your mind busy with lots of things, or is your mind calming down with your body? Okay, so now tap your 2 inches below belly button. You can use both hands now, tapping with your both hands. So again, remember, focus on your breath. And focus on the action where you are tapping exactly. Breathing in and breathing out. Again, focus on the breath, your action, where you are tapping exactly. In this case, the pinky side of the fist and your abdomen, surface of the abdomen. And breathing out. Wonderful. Now you can slowly stop and again breathing in and breathing out. So how about your body? Can you feel your body now? What's going on? Maybe you can feel the tingliness in your hands and fingertips. Also, some people can feel throughout your body, even your spine, hips, legs, toes, and even in the tongues and cheeks. So there are movement of energy that you can feel inside.